If you have a house in Parma, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in and around Parma, Ohio. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Parma prefer to work with us rather than working with a traditional buyer who's most likely using a real estate agent and then using a mortgage or a loan to buy your house. First things first, we're going to keep it very easy for you, the seller, and we're going to do that by buying your house in its as-is condition. That means you don't got to fix anything, you don't got to clean anything, you don't got to go to the Home Depot, you don't got to pull out the Windex and the paper towels and clean the window. Don't worry about the chipped paint, don't worry about the garage. You don't even got to mow the grass if you don't want to. You don't have to do any work to this thing whatsoever. And you don't got to haul anything away. So anything that you want out of the house, any of your personal belongings or any collectibles or family heirlooms, anything at all you can take with you, but anything that you don't want or don't need, you just could leave behind, we'll take care of it for you. Now, what allows us to buy houses in their as-is condition and move quickly and be fair is we're not relying on a bank or a lender. We're a true cash buyer, and that means there's no formal inspections and no formal appraisals. Now, that's what you're going to get when you work with a traditional buyer and they have a mortgage lender, and most likely they're going to have a real estate agent, and that real estate agent is going to want some commissions out of this transaction. So you got to watch out for that. Those commissions could come out of your bottom line, right? And you don't need to pay a middleman to do this transaction. You can sell to a direct buyer like us. There's no fees, no commissions, and no hidden costs whatsoever. But with a traditional buyer, when they're also using a mortgage company or a traditional lender, well, they're going to send through this thorough inspector. This inspection needs to take place, and this is where they're checking every single outlet, they're checking every single light switch and the light bulbs and the ceiling fans, and they're looking at everything. They're coming up with pages and pages and pages of stuff that's wrong with the house, and this can only be used against you. Right? And it's taking time, right? They're going to do their inspection and then if you survive the inspection, now they got to send their appraiser through. The appraiser is even worse than the inspector, and they're looking for any reason to pull the rug out from under this thing, cause delays, get discounts, and it's just a giant waste of your time. This is so many hoops that you have to jump through to accommodate and appease this buyer. It should be the other way around. The buyer should be appeasing you. You should be picking the closing date. And that's exactly what you're going to get with us. You tell us when you want to close. When you're working with a traditional buyer, you're basically at the mercy of this lender. Until the lender gives a green light, you're just in limbo. You're hoping, and hope is a terrible strategy when you're trying to sell a house. You got to sell this thing. Just sell it, sell to somebody who's going to treat you fair, and close on the date of your choice. So if you have a house in Parma, Ohio that you're looking to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online, fill out a little form on the website, sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website, but we're statewide. I'm born and raised in the Cleveland area, and we're very actively buying houses in Parma. So when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about the closing date. When do you want to close? If you want to close quickly, we can accommodate that. If you want to stretch this thing out, if you need flexibility, if you want to set a target date, if there's family members involved, whatever the case may be, you tell us so we can accommodate your needs. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on your house in Parma, and if our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward and get this thing done and communicate with you clearly throughout the entire process. But if our offer doesn't work for you, no crime, no foul. We'll shake hands, we'll move on. There's no bad taste in your mouth. We're not going to apply unnecessary pressure. This isn't sales tactics and gimmicks and games. We're here local. We're going to treat you like a neighbor, because that's exactly what we are. We're not some call center located in some foreign distant land that's sending you blast text messages and cold calling you, and they don't even get the name right. They don't even get the address right, but they're trying to talk to you about your house. It's absolutely ridiculous. I get the same calls and texts that you do. That's not the case with us. We're here local, and we're going to treat you fair. So if you have a house in the park Parma area and you want to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perchin. I look forward to speaking with you and I look forward to working with you.